My name is Talon, and we are going to be working with the Lego Digital Designer. So, let's go. You can change tabs, like to the Mindstorms tab, for example. Oops, it's not responding. Yeah. But we'll just stick with the normal Lego Digital Designer. So, we are going to be going free build. And here is our canvas for Lego building. So, let's go to our parts bin. Here, these are where all our Lego is. So let's go to the bricks category, and all these Lego pieces are in here. Lots of them. Oops, there. So let's just start actually with a kind of a bigger like a base plate, like something that's big, like this. Let's just take that out there, and as you noticed when I moved it, these little arrows popped up next to my cursor. Well, if I use the arrow keys on my keyboard, you can rotate that is the Lego part you're using. You can do some pretty cool stuff with it, but I'm just gonna leave it in its normal position. So, now let's find some stuff to put on top. So let's take a googly eye. Googly eyes are always good. So there's a googly eye. So say I really want more of these googly eyes because they're so cute and cool. Well, I could just keep clicking and putting more on, but that isn't always that efficient. So you can go to the clone tool, or C, and then you can click on the part you want more of, and bam, you automatically get more of that part, which is cool. So that's that. And next, let me think of what I could show you next. Okay, so next I will be showing you filter by color. Okay, there's a great filter by color tool down here, and you can choose to only see bricks of a certain color. So say if I want only aqua bricks, I see only aqua bricks in my tabs. So that's filtering bricks by color. Let's go remove filter because I want to see all my bricks. Hide tool. Okay. This is the hide tool, or L. So I think I might be bringing up like one of my models here. So I'll be bringing up one of my models here. Let's go, and I'll bring up one of my. I forgot, I don't have any models yet. Okay. Well, so let me just make a simple example for you. Let's go ahead and make some sort of chamber. and make it like this. And yeah, so basically I just want to get the idea of a chamber. So I will be building this. And let's hide let's hide it from this angle. Let's hide it from this angle too, so yeah. You can skip through this part if you want. So say there's something inside of here that you want to look at. You could use the hide tool to hide. You're not deleting your bricks, but you're hiding them. So now as you can see, I've hid my whole structure. So if there was something in there, now you could see it and look at it and be awesome with it. And if you click on this show all hidden bricks button, your whole thing is back. Now's a great time to go over the delete tool. So, the delete tool is just used to permanently delete bricks. Yeah, that's it. And of course you can still use this button here to undo. I'm just going to be leaving this undone. Alright, what else is there? I'm going to be referencing my cute little list. Okay, filter bricks by color, hide tool, delete tool, paint tool, building guide mode. Okay, let's just actually undo. I'm using Control Z right now. That's why you can't see that I'm undoing. Oops, I went back too far. Okay, so by clicking this little button here, you can, bam, it will generate a building guide. And then you can click these buttons or just use your arrow keys. And it will display a building guide for whatever you've made. And that's the building guide for mine. So, yeah. It will display a building guide so you can follow along at home what you've done on the computer, which is quite cool in my opinion. It's quite cool. Okay. Now what? Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we only have 2 more things that we're gonna go over. Maybe a few more things. I kind of just want to give you a basic overview of stuff that you can do in here. So, let's say you wanted to get a ball joint. That's the fan of my external hard drive turning on. Just telling you. If you want to get a ball joint, then you could search for a ball joint in all these tabs. But that's not always that convenient. So you could go to your part search up here, then just type in ball, and then go to the hinges tab, and bam, there you go, ball joints galore. Wow, there's so many bricks that I still haven't checked out. Okay, part search, we've already done that. Alright, saving. Well, saving, just hit the save button or Control S. Name your file. I'm gonna be calling this one What? Okay, let's call it Tal in Vid. Great. Let's save it, and this has been grayed out. That means it's been saved at this exact position. You can't save it anymore. So, what could we go over next? Well, say you kind of like wanted to get this thing, and put it into another model. Well, I guess you could just import that model, but let's do a quick little build. Whoa, that really scared me there. Okay, say you want this. I think I need to remove my filter. You want this to be in another thing, and you can't just import the model. Yeah. So, what you would do is just draw a box around it like this to select it. And then you could just go to your Templates tab and then push the Create Template from Selection button. And bam! There is your thing as a template. And you can use as many as you want, which is cool. There are noises going on. So, what else could I go over? Yes, it's fine if I delete that template. It's fine if I delete that template. Alright, so what could I go over next? Well, anything else to go over? Well, maneuvering your camera. So basically all you need to do is right click and maneuver, still holding right click, and just drag around, and you will be maneuvering your view. You could even go under your structure. So, what else is there? Well, there's zoom in. You could zoom in by clicking this button. Zoom out by clicking this button. You can, undo, which is just basically go to your last point of view. And well, let's talk about the multiple selection tools. Alright, well, this is funny. Multiple selection comes first. Just click on different bricks to select them at the same time, which is useful. And then you can drag them all around. Let me try and get that to the... Oh my goodness, no. There. Okay. Connected selection tool. It will select only the parts that are connected. So that's useful if you want to check if your structure is connected, all connected together. Oh, and by the way, if you're dragging a part and you're like, oops, I didn't want to do that, you can just push escape. And that will put it back to its normal position. Now let's go color selection tool. It will select all the things of the same color. So for example, these parts here. Okay. Shape selection tool. That will select all the parts of a certain shape. Like there, I just added a bit to my selection. because that's these parts are the same shape as these parts. Alright, now there's color and shape selection tool. That's useful if you want to select a certain type of part. So, yeah, that's that. And now finally there's the invert selection button. If you click it, it will select everything you didn't select. So it will select everything but the stuff you did not select. No, it will select everything but the stuff you did select. That's what it does. Alright, anything else? Oh, this is a good one. Collapse dividers, I think. Yes, collapse dividers. So, say you had lots and lots of your dividers open, and your workspace just becomes a crazy clatter of parts. You don't want that to happen. So if that does happen, you can just push the collapse dividers button, and that will collapse all the dividers. Oh, by the way, there are these arrows on screen. That's what you use to maneuver your camera, just like right click. Alright, is that it? There's also the zoom in and out button. Well, slider. Yeah. I usually keep that at max. Right. Is there really anything else that would be worth showing in this tutorial? Not really. Maybe I'm forgetting some stuff. That could be. Let's go back home. Let's actually save this. So, that is basically just a little go-over of Lego Digital Designer. I didn't show you everything, so I probably need to make a second video of this. I'll be watching other Lego Digital Designer videos to see what stuff he was going over. So, everybody, this was me, Talon, showing you Lego Digital Designer, and bye-bye for now.